Hey everyone, welcome back to CARCRAZECAVE, where we help you make the most out of your car. Today we're diving into something that can really save you money at the pump, the MPG Calculator. With me is Sam, our resident car enthusiast.
Thanks for having me, Anna. I'm super excited to talk about this MPG calculator. It's such a simple but powerful tool, especially if you're like me and trying to squeeze every last mile out of a gallon of fuel.
Have you ever wondered if your car is actually fuel efficient, or if you might be spending more than you need to on gas? Stick around, because today we're breaking down exactly how the MPG calculator works and why it's a must-have tool for car owners.
Trust me, if you haven't used this yet, you're missing out on some easy ways to cut costs and help the environment.
Alright, so let's start with the basics. Sam, what is an MPG calculator and why should people care about it?
An MPG, or miles per gallon calculator, is a tool that helps you figure out how far your car can go on a gallon of fuel. Essentially, it measures your car's fuel efficiency, which is crucial for anyone wanting to save money on gas, compare vehicles, or plan a long trip more efficiently.
Exactly. And the higher the MPG, the better the fuel efficiency. Who doesn't want to save a few extra bucks, right?
Absolutely, Anna. Plus, it's not just about money, it's also about reducing your carbon footprint.
Okay, Sam, let's talk about how to actually use this MPG calculator.
Sure thing, it's super easy, really. First, you need to track your mileage. Make a note of your car's mileage before and after a trip, or just reset your trip odometer.
Right, and after that, you need to track how much fuel you've used.
Exactly. So, after your trip, you fill up the tank and make sure to jot down the number of gallons you used. Then, you just enter the distance driven and the fuel used into the calculator.
That's it. The MPG calculator will give you your vehicle's MPG, the miles per gallon. If you drove 300 miles and used 10 gallons, your MPG is 30. It's that simple.
Yep. And remember, some calculators, like the one from CARCRAZECAVE, even let you input details like fuel cost or different fuel types. That's handy if you're really detail-oriented.
So, let's be honest, Sam, what are the pros and cons of using an MPG calculator?
Pros first. It's quick, accurate, and easy to use. You don't need a bunch of data, just your miles and gallons. It's also a great way to keep an eye on your car's health. A drop in MPG could mean something needs fixing. And of course, it helps with cost saving by showing how much fuel you're using.
Totally agree. Plus, it can help you make better driving choices, right?
Exactly. Now the cons, well, the calculator's accuracy really depends on the input. If you mess up your mileage or gallons used, the MPG will be off. And it doesn't account for things like weather or driving conditions that could affect your fuel efficiency.
And it's not that helpful for electric vehicles, right?
Right, it's mainly for gas-powered cars. Electric vehicles use different metrics like MPGe, but for most vehicles out there, it's super useful.
Now let's talk savings, because who doesn't love saving money?
That's the best part, honestly. Knowing your MPG can help you figure out if your car is guzzling more gas than it should be. If your MPG is lower than expected, it might be time for a tune-up, which could save you from bigger expenses down the road.
And it helps with budgeting for long trips too. Instead of guessing how much you'll spend on fuel, you can calculate it and plan ahead.
Exactly. Plus, better fuel efficiency means fewer trips to the gas station, more money in your pocket, and less time filling up. Win-win.
All right, folks, that's a wrap for today. Hopefully, now you understand how the MPG calculator can be a real game changer for your wallet and the environment.
If you haven't already, head over to CARCRAZECAVE and try out our MPG calculator. It's simple, it's quick, and it might just save you more than you expect.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more car tips, tricks, and tools that make driving a breeze.
And as always, drive safe and stay fuel efficient, everyone. See you next time.